Hi everyone, my name is Ben and today we'll be taking a look at what's in the box of the Pioneer DMH-A5650BT wireless AV receiver. Let's check it out. Firstly, we have the main wiring harness. This is used for numerous connections like the vehicle's constant and accessory power, earth, illumination circuit, vehicle speed signal and speaker wires amongst others. We have the audio RCA harness, which provides 3 pairs of RCA output for external amplifiers. We have the auxiliary harness, which provides a 3.5mm auxiliary input. External microphone to run to the top central area of the hood lining near the windscreen. USB extension, allowing you to run your USB access point to a preferred location in the vehicle. We have the steering wheel control and camera input harness. A wide selection of mounting screws allowing for various mounting options and requirements. GPS antenna and associated mounting components. A GPS antenna is required for all wireless AV receivers and requires a clear signal through the vehicle's windscreen. Small clamps to assist with mounting cables. A quick start guide to assist you to get to know your new Pioneer DMH-A5650BT wireless AV receiver. The complete user manual can be found on the product page at www.pioneer.com.au. And last but not least, the Pioneer DMH-A5650BT 6.8-inch wireless AV receiver. And there you have it. That's what's in the box of the Pioneer DMH-A5650BT wireless AV receiver. For more information, visit your nearest authorised Pioneer retailer or our website today.